Right, hello everybody. After watching Tracie's video, I went and had a look at the stamps that she spoke about, and the postage to the UK was just too much for them, so it'd work out very expensive. So I had a look at I typed in label frames or something, and Stampers Anonymous had one. Tim HOLTZ. I didn't know this. So I purchased them. These come yesterday, and funnily enough, Tim HOLTZ had them on. I don't know whether he had the set on, but he was using them. That he used the frames on his live show yesterday, which was the 17th of July, which was really strange because I'm thinking, oh, I've got them, and it's great. So, but I wouldn't have known about these. So I bought these. They were £23, no postage because it was Amazon, and I thought, well, they'll do for me. It's perfect. I was even thinking of ways of making them myself. So I thought, I cannot warrant it. So because as you know, I'm doing the bee journal. You should do by now. I've got some Tim HOLTZ stuff left over, and I'm thinking, some of this could look quite nice. I'm not sure whether it's a little bit. You might see the lines there. Right, should we have a go at this one first then? I think. I know the lines might interfere with what we're doing, but we shall see. That's not too bad, actually. I'm not sure how good this embossing powder would be because it's very old. Okay. It says mirror, but whether that's the right one in there, I couldn't tell you. Just cleaning up there about. Okay. This year I said I was going to get my fly thing, didn't I, for the door. I still haven't got it. Well, it's only just now started, the flies. I don't really need that, not with the Tim HOLTZ ones. Right, let's have a look. So I'll definitely post, Tracie's video below and everything. Of course I will. There we go. And I think that looks cool. Yeah, brilliant. Love them. Right, these little things here, I will. That's okay there. There we have, don't want to waste that there. We have a full bee or wasp or whatever it is. Sorry, I'm not very good on things like that. I have no idea what it actually is, but it's an insect. It could be a bee, because there is a lot of bees on here, but I'm not sure. Oh no, look, there's a little bee on there. How can we leave that? So it could be turned into something. And this I would turn into a little tag. Like that. And cut the top. Actually, I'm going to take the black line off and ink up. Looks better, I think. It's alright if you've got the whole black line around it, but once you haven't, I don't think it looks right. So do that, and the back. Put a hole in top. Big one though. So this I could just use on a snippet or something. Okay, so I'll go in that pile. Right, and I think we could get one more out of here. We can get one there. That would have to be a smaller one there. I'm going to do another one. I was a bit worried what the lines would look like, you know, inside the frame, but I think they look okay. Just out of a piece of paper, we can do a couple of tags out there, and even that one there, look. Could make those into definitely that one with the bee on. I know it seems silly, but these, honestly, I'm using these all the time. My little dangles. I think I can show you one if you haven't seen any of my bee videos. Yeah. Because you can use them like this as well, see, and they look cool. So there, I don't know whether if I got a Tim Holtz one or not on here. Oh, there we are, there's one. Okay, so that one is just done the square at the top and then the V-shaped and then a grommet. All right, I'm getting another little collection together. Yeah, but I'm really pleased with these. I just think, I don't know, it just adds a bit of different to, you know, you got the printables and that, and now I can use something like that and, you know, makes them look different. So, right, I'll just show you what I mean by putting it together. There's a little one I put together. I put a load together all at once. I have a night doing it. So I like to wrap, don't know whether you can see, I like to wrap the wire around mine. I think I did do a video on it, but oh gosh, ages ago. Whether I showed how to wrap, I don't know. But I just instead of tying it off at the top, I just carry on wrapping around, and I just like it. Yeah, I did used to make jewellery, so until my eyesight got bad, and then it used to give me bad headaches. So, and then I had to like go under one of those magnifying glasses as well, and oh, that just drove me insane. Let's have a look. I won't keep this on here because it might be a bit heavy for it, because this is only a thin tag, as it's only scrapbooking paper, but sometimes you only want thin tag, so just there we go. That's what I mean. And they look quite cool, don't they? And we've used them up. Okay, that's those things. Oh, my husband's chopping down my bay tree. I've got to keep an eye on him because I don't want it disappearing. It's huge. It's right outside my door, but you can just get in my door now. So you might hear some snipping. Right, okay. What should we do now then? Let's go and get some more paper and I'll show you what I mean of some more. So we've got 2 that side. We'll do another size now. Okay, should we try something like this then? That could be quite nice, couldn't it? Yeah. So I use the archival now because I'm not using the embossing powder, even though it looked lovely. I might still do a couple in a minute actually, but you've seen me do that, so. That would look lovely. Oh, this is a freebie somewhere. I think it's on the Facebook group. It might even be on my website as well. So I'm not sure. Oh, that's a shame. I might just get away with it actually. Just squish that bit down. It's not on it properly. So it's not worked properly. It's my fault because the block is too small, but that's fine. Okay. Okay, so I just went ahead and done the other ones. I think you saw me do the black ones. Oh, I just painted that one a little bit with some watercolours. There, and I did paint another one up there. And then these I embossed, so that's all the sizes. Embossed with gold embossing powder. I think it goes the other way. There we go. And that's all the sizes. And that was just, well, from that one piece of paper. And I've got a few coarse bits left that I can use in collage. I'll just pick bits out of it. It's great. So that's that's what all the stamps are. You've got yourself some ephemera there. Yeah, and that's the other bits as well. Lovely job. Okay, all done.